Texas. The sign. Point at the sign. Let's see the sign. You can't. They got cabins and everything.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Is it hot here?
Yes.
It's only 94 degrees.
It's almost 7 o'clock at night.
There's our campsite right next to another van. We made it. Made it to Texas. How's it feel? Feel like we're in Texas?
No, well, yes, kind of. I will never complain about South Carolina being the longest state ever again, because there were 840 exits on 10, and we're only at like, what, 6 something?
Huh.
It's a little crazy.
We made it to San Antonio, Texas.
Yeah.
The Lone Star
from
State.
Texas.
We're from Texas, and we are gonna go. It's late. It's 7:50. 7:50?
6:50.
Why does that one say 7:50?
I don't know, it hasn't changed yet.
So it is almost 7 o'clock. We just checked in at the KOA at the Alamo. KOA Alamo.
Yeah.
It's a really nice one. Most of the KOAs we've been to, all the ones.
Yeah.
We've been to.
And super clean.
And super clean, really nice. Have excellent facilities, bathrooms, showers, and stuff like that. Really nice.
Yep. So this is our 4th state, and we'll be here for 4 days in Texas. So looking forward to seeing what Texas has to offer.
Yep. So we're gonna hit the road.
Go eat something and get on the gondola.
Maybe. It's still open.
Maybe. Oh, it's gonna be open. It's the whole point of coming here.
Maybe. We're okay.
Yeah, it's probably better sitting here because over there it says.
Got a clock up there. No buildings. So Amy just got us tickets for the gondola, and we are heading out to the Canal, river, whatever it's called.
Tell me how good it is. Is that the best crab cake you've ever had? No, you just said it was the best crab cake you've had.